friends, welcome to today's video. Today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I always seem to put the sticker right over the Boxycharm logo. It's a smaller box than usual, a lot thinner, and I did receive it a little earlier in the month. I received it on the 13th, and I have been head down studying all day today, so this is a nice little present to myself to get to open. So let's open this up. I was spoiled by one item slightly that's in here, and I'll let you know what that is when we get to it. I was trying to check out where my items were in shipping, if I was going to receive them soon, and sometimes if you go to the site too far into the month, you'll see some items. So this month's theme is Make Waves, and I'm not going to look at the other side of this because I don't want to be spoiled any further, but I can see right here, I believe, the item I was spoiled on, this huge one right here. I know this is a Glam Glow product. I did see that. I don't know what it is though, so let's take a look. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Interesting. This is blended with oat amino acids. It's supposed to condition, deep cleanse, and remove facial makeup. Interesting. I did not know about this product. I've been meaning for a while to test out one of the original Glam Glow masks, like do a long-term half-face test where maybe I used, some of their original masks twice a week to see if it had really any kind of long-term benefit. It's just so hard only having one face. There's only so much testing you can do at a time. So there we go. That is a big bottle. I will definitely use this. Okay, I don't necessarily right away smell anything like super fragranced, which is good. I use a very gentle cleanser. I think I originally learned this from Tati, Glam Life Guru, who talked about using a very gentle cleanser, but then massaging into your face for like a full 60 seconds to really let it get in there and let it do its work. So I always look for a cleanser that I can do that for, and afterwards my face never feels tight, it never feels overly dried, so very, very gentle. So I am excited about trying this, and I love getting these full-size products of skincare like that. So I've gotten past the one spoiled item, so let's see what else is in here. This looks like maybe a lip product. Let's go for that. Ooh, I can tell this is a Ciate, am I correct? Yep, Ciate, and I have to admit, the more I've tried different products, I really tend to like Ciate products. So this, oh, it's a cream eyeshadow, or creme eyeshadow. They do have the French accents in there. Color shifting pigments, lightweight, fallout free cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna open it up and see what color I have. Okay, that's gorgeous. That is like a light pink purple, and I think that's going to be so much fun to play with. It feels a lot like and has a similar shade to the Cover FX sort of glitter one that I got. I feel like a lot of companies are doing this to try to mimic. Ooh, okay, so it has a gold reflect in there. What are the glitter shadows? The Stila ones. I feel like a lot of companies are coming out with cream glitter shadows. Ooh, look at the reflect on that. That is so shiny. Okay, oh, and look, you can see the purple and pink when it goes at an angle. Okay, I'm gonna have so much fun trying that out. 2 for 2 in products that I am excited about this month. So, there's other stick products in here. Is this gonna be a lip product? Okay, this is from a brand I haven't heard of, Orza Beauty, and this looks like a glittery lip gloss, if I had to guess. Does it tell me? It does not, but it looks like a glittery lip gloss. I feel like I've been getting a lot of glittery lip glosses lately, and whether I like them or not, more than anything, depends on if they're actually moisturizing and provide a lip benefit, as well as just being a pretty gloss. So we'll find out a bit more about that when I look at the tag that goes with this box. Okay, that's been 3 items. The other ones, I guess, are underneath. What do I got here? What do I got here? Oh wow, okay. That is a lash curler from Pure Cosmetics. Pure does so much with Boxycharm. Okay, it's a little flimsy feeling, I gotta say, but I have had the same eyelash curler, not even kidding you, since like high school or university. So I'm excited to try a different one because I've only ever used one eyelash curler ever in my life. So I'll be interested to see if there's any differences from one to another. So maybe not the most exciting because it's not something that's going to do something vastly different that I've ever tried before, but a nice tool that's nicely different from just getting brushes. And this feels like some kind of palette. What do we got? Okay, Alamar Cosmetics. Alamar made that really pretty brightly colored product that I have, eyeshadow palette. I feel like I remember hearing a little bit of controversy around the owner of this brand, but it's not coming to me right now. This is the Colorette Blush Trio. So okay, it's not an eyeshadow palette, it's a blush palette. So let's get this open and see what the colors are. I mean, they're gonna be pinks, right? Okay. You know what? That's very pretty that it has the nice little mirror in there, and also that you get, let me take this top off here. You get Seclusion, which is a really nice sort of peach coral shade. You get Isla, which is a sort of very common pinky shade. And then Toast It, which is this darker rose shade. And I have found I like all of these kinds of shades for different reasons. I find often these deeper ones that have a little bit more of a mauve or rose undertone can look very natural, like almost like a very natural flush. And I really like the embossing that they did on that. I think that's a really pretty touch. Okay. I would say that I am most excited about the Glam Glow cleanser and the, eyeshadow. I am medium excited about the blush trio and the eyelash curler. Maybe not quite as excited as about the gloss. However, since it's a brand I haven't heard of before, that's always kind of fun to get to learn about a new brand. So let's take a look at the card and see exactly what these items are. The Glam Glow cleanser. That is a $28 item, and these are usually all listed in American prices. Gentle but make it bubbly, the Daily Conditioner Gel Cleanser. Gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLES free. All skin types approved, so that's awesome. I usually don't care too much about added benefits in my cleanser because it doesn't stay on my face really long enough for those to absorb or have too much of an impact. I don't mind them, but I won't go out of my way to pay for them. I'm mostly looking for something that cleanses in a very gentle way. The Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with our new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. That's really nice. It's supposed to be $22 US for that blush palette. Ciate London, the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. We will test those out. And that is a $22 product. The eyelash curler is supposed to be an $18 product. You're about to take your lashes to new lengths, literally. Prep lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new Pure Eyelash Curler. Instantly perk up each individual lash for a look you will love. And finally, I am correct that the Oriza Opaline Top Gloss, I don't know why that was hard to say, it is a lip gloss. It's a weightless and waterproof lip topper, adding an extra dimension and shimmer to your lips. Layer over your favorite lip color for an impactful lip look or wear alone as a subtle gloss. So it's supposed to make things waterproof. That'll be interesting. I wonder how I might be able to test that. So yeah, there's some exciting products here. I'm pretty happy with this month's box, and I'm excited to get testing these. I will mention, because those of you who watch my unboxings, you do know that I tend to choose products, do full-length video reviews on them, and then there's always some products that kind of fall through the cracks. I end up using them, but either, enough time goes by that I don't get to do a review, or they're just not that interesting to do a review of on their own. What I've been thinking of doing is doing a end of month mini review video series so that Each month I might take 5 items that I didn't do a full review on, but I have definite thoughts about, and put those all into one video. I've also found that because the last couple of months, or especially the last month, has been really busy for me, and I've had a few days without making videos, that there are some products sort of built up that I would like to do reviews on and sort of get those to you guys. So give me a thumbs up if you like that idea, or if you like this video, and also let me know all of that down below. Let me know if you got a different variant of Boxycharm than I did. In the comments, I try to respond to every comment that I get as much as I can. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!